Yung mga sa situations, you were all very good.
Mga actors, yan. Thank you.
Up next, a refresher course on study habit techniques will be lectured by our next buddy. Tutukan yan when the Sweet Life returns.
Every day's a new beginning.
On this telenovela, nang dahil sa inyo, tumabang stable na dala ko.
Sino ba ang baliw na babaeng ito?
Meet this feisty girl named Marina, whose strength will be tested.
Every day's a new beginning.
Mental block, cramming, yan ang ilan sa major causes ng pagbaba ng grades ng lahat ng students from all levels.
Ay, true. Ang ating next body, may solution dyan. I-jumpstart, para daw i-jumpstart ang ating mental fitness. Please welcome on the show our study buddy, Binibining Pilipinas Universe 2007, Ana Teresa Licaros.
Hi! Hello!
Hi!
Ayan, beauty and brains talaga to.
Thank you.
What are your group study tips?
Well, for group study, number one na recommend ko is you're prepared before you get into group study. Hindi yung pupunta ka sa group study na doon ka pa lang na nag-aabang ka, nag-aantay ka kung ano yung makukuha mo sa mga ka-group study mo. So I really recommend that you should have studied on your own before you get into group study.
The purpose ba of group study is you parang divide the workload so another person takes care of this chapter. Ganun ba yun?
Pwedeng yun ang purpose ng group study, especially if you're working on something na collective effort. Like you have an output na kailangan lahat kayo may ginawa. Pero pwede rin kasi yung group study kung gusto mong i-complement kung ano yung alam mo na. Like for example, meron ka mga problems sa math na hindi mo alam kung paano i-solve, pero may idea ka how to go about it. Maganda yung group study para meron kang input from other people.
Oo nga, that
so
really
matatanong mo
helps.
sila.
And it's in a less stressful environment,
Exactly.
no? How's your school?
Okay
School
naman.
life?
Okay naman ang law school. Actually, law school, marami rin group study na nangyayari. Kasi cases yung mga inaaral namin. And minsan yung perspective mo, parang very limited kung isa lang yung ginagawa mo.
How do you juggle everything? You have your TV show and I'm sure you have hosting stints also from time to time.
Yes. Well, I really have to manage my schedule very well. So talagang planado siya and I have to stick to my schedule. And well, honestly, yung group study really helps me.
Ah, really?
Yeah, because there are some...
Comes in handy.
Yeah, it does. Sometimes I can't read everything. And when you go with a group, parang pwede mo talagang matanong yung ibang tao.
Oo.
Maganda rin kapag yung sa group study, parang may moderator kayo.
Yes.
Kasi minsan ang tendency sa group study, parang nagkukwentuhan na lang kayo eh. Dahil session na siya. So maganda kung may isang tao na parang siya yung
Who
in
keeps
charge.
you guys on track.
Exactly. Parang okay lang na kwento ng konti, pero
Are
parang...
you the moderator in your group study?
Usually ako yun.
Usually ikaw yun.
Designated driver.
Yeah.
Kailangan may
Because
nagmamoderate.
you're always pressed for time, so you want to be as efficient as you can possibly be,
Parang yung
diba?
ginagawa nung girl na naka-red kanina, parang siya yung nakatayo and pinapastol niya yung mga tao na masyado na dumadaan.
Eto na ang gusto kong malaman. Pwede mo ba akong bigyan ng tips kung paano i-run out yung mga disorganized na study habits?
Yeah, how do you iron out those
Yeah.
those kinks?
Well, the fact na na-recognize mo na meron kang disorganized study habits, I think that's a very, very big step, di ba?
Okay.
At least you're honest na medyo may problema ka. The best way talaga is to find out what works for you. Kasi sa ibang tao, okay talaga yung mag-isa na nag-aaral. Ibang tao, okay sa kanila yung cramming. Kasi short-term memory talaga, very good sila. Ibang tao naman na kailangan isang linggo mag-aaral, inuunti-unti nila. So I think the number one thing is to try out kung ano yung style that will work for you.
Okay. Personally, what's the style that works for you? Do you cram or you really space
I really have
it?
to plan it out in advance. Hindi gumagana sa akin yung cramming.
You're the type of person talaga.
Yes.
No? Nakikita mo sa personality
True.
niya eh, na gusto
And
niya.
scheduled
Ako
talaga.
ganyan din ako eh. Ano? Ganyan. Planado ba?
Ako hindi.
Planado.
Cram-ramming. Cram ng cram.
Meron din naman kasi tao na it works for them. Na yung procrastinate. And kasi, ang thing is, kapag exam, minsan short-term memory lang yung nilalaro mo dun. Kailangan mo lang siyang maalala for that particular
So,
exam.
ikaw nayayanig kapag may deadline ka na parang hindi ka pa talaga handa?
Oo, nararamdaman ko yun na parang kahit na a week in advance sa exam, wala pa ako na-accomplish, wala pa ako nagagawa. So I have to at least work on something para feeling ko na nababawasan yung load
Girl
ko.
Scout to, laging handa.
Yes. Okay.
What about mental block? Because a lot of students complain about that.
Yes, even ako, I experienced
That
mental
happened?
block. Yes, and
Why? Because you were too tired.
yes, the tendency is you overstudy and you don't give yourself enough time to rest. So, number one, para hindi magyari sa'yo mental block, is mag-get ka ng enough rest. Like, don't think na pulling an all-nighter will solve it.
So you're an advocate naman of a balance.
Yes,
a
yes,
balanced study
definitely.
life,
Yes,
no?
you have to rest also. Your mind has to be able to rest.
When you say rest, you're talking about the time you sleep or in between study sessions, you give yourself a break.
Both. Giving yourself a break allows you to parang
Recharge.
allow your brain na ma-absorb naman, hindi sunod-sunod. And yung getting enough sleep, yun talaga hindi pwede mangyari sa'yo. It's exam, gising ka physically, pero tulog na yung utak mo. So, ang hirap talaga.
What do you do when you give yourself that break in between study sessions?
Well, I really try to divert my attention. Parang something different naman. Listen to music.
Totally not studying.
Oo, or kumain.
But you allow yourself only how long?
Siguro
A break?
mga 15-minute na break. And hindi siya ganun ka-frequent. Hindi every chapter mo break ka. Kasi madidistract ka talaga.
Mawawala yung momento.
O mawawala yung momentum. Saka sa mental block, ang ginagawa ko for exams, when exam itself, I try to dump. Parang kung ano yung naaalala ko, sulat ko na siya agad. Keywords, like pag question, like ko na yung formula.
What's this? During the exam?
During the
actual
exam, you have to help yourself also because your memory can only take so much.
You mean when you look at the paper, you go through all the questions already and then you write whatever
That's
you
what
remember?
I do. Yeah, if the professor allows me to write on the exam questionnaire, kung ano yung naalala ko tungkol doon sa tanong na yun, kahit vague idea lang. Keywords, exactly.
so
Para,
you don't
kasi
forget.
pag hindi ko ginawa yun, maganda yung sagot ko sa first 5 questions.
But pag pagod na,
Pag dulo na, wala na akong maalala. So,
Okay.
ang hirap na. So, at least while it's fresh, you can put it there na.
those are very wise tips. Thank you very
Thank you
much
so
for being with
much.
us. Ang sarap talaga kausap pag bright. When we come back, we will teach you a recipe that is guaranteed to enhance your memory. We will be back in a few moments, so stay with us. Memory. All students have to rely so much on this mental ability, kaya dapat talaga ini-enhance natin to lagi.
Oo naman. At ano pa ang best way kundi ang kumain ng mga pagkain good for the brain. At nag-prepare kami dito ng ilang mga food item na nakaka-contribute daw sa pag-develop ng sharp memory.
We have here with us.
Ayan.
Ang alam lang kasi natin usually nuts daw, di ba? It's
Oo.
food for the brain. But other than that, meron pang ibang mga pagkain. Ito na nga yun. First, we have salmon and eggs. It's rich in DHA, a kind of omega-3 fatty acid. And it fires up the neurons and makes our brain cells function at its maximum. O, mga estudyante, alalahanin nyo yun. Next, we have blueberries, but this is in the form na of yogurt.
Yeah.
But yogurt is good and blueberries in yogurt is doubly good. So, it improves the memory by battling highly reactive atoms that
May
may
atoms pala
damage,
tayo, no?
that may damage the brain tissues.
Eto
Next
na.
naman, oatmeal.
Oatmeal.
Ginagamit lang natin to for di ba? Because
Kasi
it's good
rich
for
in-
the body, nakakababa ng cholesterol.
Yes, rich in fiber,
Maganda rin
diba?
siya pang facial.
Yes.
But this is very rich in fiber, carbohydrates, and vitamins. When paired with food high in protein like seafoods, it will prevent us from having brain fog or mental block. So pag may exam kayo, minsan 'di ba sa nervyos or sa stress, kulang sa tulog, nagkakaroon ng mental block. And what's your name? I don't remember.
Akala ko sa mga beauty contest na yung mga mental block na yun, ano? Kasi
Hindi.
kalimitan doon ko nakikita yun eh.
Any highly stressful situation, pwede kang mag-mental block.
Bongga, dahil napag-uusapan na rin lang natin yung mga memory enhancer na yan, ano? Ang nutritional content ng seafoods ay mas maganda siguro kung matututo tayo ng isang yummy recipe made from seafood para naman hindi natin, hindi natin yung mga ano ba yan, te?
Yung mga
Ang ilang-
our palates
Oo,
para
yan.
natin, ma-enjoy ng ating taste buds at ma-enjoy rin ng ating katawan. It's beneficial. We have with us Chef Eddie Kangote, head chef from
daw.
Sorry, Chef Eddie Langote, head chef from Barcelona restaurant in Linden Suites. He was here before. Nagluto siya ng bacalao.
Yes.
Ngayon magluluto siya ng seafood paella.
Ito muna unahin natin.
Unahin natin yan, chef.
Olive oil.
Olive oil.
Mga 15 ml. Tapos garlic.
Tapos garlic.
50 grams.
Bakit, di ba sinasabi dun sa commercial, bawal ang pork, bawal ang ganyan?
Seafood kasi
Seafoods to.
Chef,
Ito natin to yung ano.
Ang bango na, oh.
ang bango.
Lapu-lapo, shrimp, 50 grams.
Tsaka
and then
squid.
I-mix mo natin siya.
Ay, may mix-mix lang yan, Chef.
Tapos habang sinusuti mo siya,
Chef, may asawa ka na ba?
wala po, katulad ng dati.
Wala pa rin?
Wala pa rin.
Hindi ka pa nakakapag-asawa mula na nag-guest ka dito?
Hindi pa.
Hindi kaya si Chef ang
Tapos,
destiny ko, te?
1 teaspoon,